Several groundbreaking initiatives are beginning to take root in the Gulf. The Qatar Genome Program, for example, is mapping genetic variants in the local population to better understand predispositions to neurodegenerative conditions. Saudi Arabia's King Abdullah International Medical Research Center is working on AI assisted biomarker discovery to detect early signs of Alzheimer's and Parkinson with greater accuracy. Meanwhile, institutions in the UAE, Bahrain, and Oman are exploring links between diet, metabolic disorders, and brain health. These projects are increasingly turning to AI to accelerate analysis, whether it's machine learning models decoding gene expression patterns or neural network scanning lifestyle and environmental data for subtle triggers of disease.
One of the region's strength lies in its growing network of international partnerships. The Qatar Biomedical Research Institute is collaborating with Harvard Medical School to uncover disease mechanisms using advanced AI simulations of cellular activity. Saudi Arabia's neuroscience centers have tied up with Mayo Clinic and Stanford to explore stem cell therapies and AI based diagnostics. These collaborations bring not just cutting edge tech, but also essential access to clinical trials, shared data sets, and dual training programs. The Gulf is fast becoming a hub where global expertise meets regional need, especially in the age of AI, where the ability to rapidly analyze and act on data can mean the difference between managing a disease and preventing it.
AI and genomics are reshaping the landscape of neurodegenerative research. Deep learning algorithms are being used to scan brain imaging data for early signs of atrophy, sometimes identifying anomalies years before symptoms appear. In parallel, genomics studies powered by AI are uncovering gene variants specific to Middle Eastern populations that were previously undocumented in global literature. This convergence of technologies paves the way for precision medicine, where a patient treatment plan is tailored not just to their symptoms but to their unique genetic and environmental profile. In the Gulf, this could mean the development of culturally and biologically relevant therapies instead of relying on one size fits all solution developed in Western labs.